Hello, and today we're going to be installing AWS CLI on Centos 8. This is a new build in AWS right now. We don't have Ansible installed, but we do have Python 3, and Python 3 comes as standard by default with RHEL and Centos 8. So next we're going to install Python 3 pip. Just accept the installation and the GPG key. And then we're going to install AWS CLI for the local user. So you can, once that's finished, you can confirm that it works by giving you a version from the version commands. There we go. And now we need to set up our credentials. So AWS configure. Obviously these are junk, these aren't real. And once you have them set up, you can prove that you can connect by running this command, the AWS STS command. And there we go, you're now connected, ready to build resources in AWS.